Hi guys, hope you're doing well. In this week's Crypto Chiefs YouTube video, we are going to take a look at Woo. Before we begin the analysis, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And in the comment section below, I will pin two links, one to our free Telegram group where you can receive daily market updates, and also a link to our website where you can find out more information about the services we provide, and also a link in there on our website to all of our verified results from the signals we have given in the premium group. So as I said, we're going to take a look at Woo, and this is a coin, another one that's broke out from its weekly range this week. Very clearly here we can see this previous resistance level here has been broken, and it looks very much like we will close the week above that level. It was previous in 2022, a previous bounce on the weekly, very strong bounce, but has been resistance throughout the bear market here and the early part of 2023. So yeah, this has finally flipped, and where we are now is trying to accept back inside this range here. So this weekly close is quite important for Woo. If it does close above sort of 42 cents, just zoom in a bit so you can see clearly. We can see how key this level was pretty much since the launch of the coin in 2021. But we can see that we've had a number of weekly bounces here, close below, and then it become resistance. So if we can accept back into above the 42 cents, then we can look for continuation upwards. If not, if we do get a pullback, then you'd be looking for this 32, 33 cents area to hold if we do get any move down here. And that could be a place to take, to start scaling into a swing position if you're interested in looking for a sort of a longer term position on Woo. But the alternative is obviously to wait for a break above the 42 cents and continuation upwards. If we do start to accept above this and close above this level on the weekly, then the next area you could look to target for a swing position would be up around sort of 65, 66 cents, something around this area here. Looks like a nice level to target in the medium term. We can see it's been a really key support and resistance level a number of times. Resistance here, support here, resistance and resistance here. So potentially, like we've had all this range here, potentially this becomes our sort of medium term range, 42 cents up to 65 cents. Then looking beyond that, the obvious would be to flip this. If these become the new range highs, would be a flip above this. And then you're looking sort of towards the psychological level around the $1 mark, which we can see as well was is a previous sort of really strong resistance. So this week in particular, and well, a few weeks here, we move right above it, but each weekly candle closed below. So this would be the sort of second target. So yeah, you know, close above 42 cents and then you target 65 cents and then up to $1, or you wait for the pullback down towards the 33 cents area. Beyond that as well, then a really key target, if we go from the highs all the way down to the lows with the fib levels, then first looking for the 618 fib around the $1.15 level here up to the 669. Again, looks like a previous key area as well. So this is more of a longer term target once we start to accept over $1. $1.15 to $1.25 is obviously the key fib levels, but we can also see a lot of price interaction in this area as well. We have this area of liquidity as well from these wicks. So that would be something we could sort of target in the medium to long term once we accept above the $1 area. All of these, you know, positions that we're taking in altcoins, we always have to keep in mind the total 2, and I just want to show you this because this is at a really key level at the moment. We've had this range for like over a year, which we have just broken from, and we can see that, you know, this through here is a really key level. And what I like about the total 2, so obviously this is the market cap excluding Bitcoin. The levels generally are very clean. It moves in even numbers, and just the support and resistance is always really clean. We can see how resistance and all this was like really clean support, bounced here, and then it's become resistance ever since. Last week we closed above, and this week we have back tested really clean, perfect back test here. So we are holding above the 700 billion key level at the moment. As long as this holds, then we can see short term a better move in altcoins, because from here there's a good chance that we can see the total 2 market cap, so for altcoins, pushing up above towards 900 billion. Again, we can see why this is a key area, has been a number of times. So as long as we're holding 700 billion, we've had, similarly like we've had with Woo, we've had this range here. Now we look, are we going to get this range here? And all the while 7 billion holds, this is obviously would be the next target. And a move up to here, we'll see obviously a much bigger move in altcoin prices as well. I hope you found this video useful, guys. Let me know in the comments below, are you holding Woo, and what your targets are for the coin. And I will see you on the next video.